Hi there, it's time to update you in the world of sports. My name is Benedict Fosu. You're still watching MX24. We start here from the local scene and from the camp of the Black Stars. Yesterday, they played their last international friendly ahead of their Africa Cup of Nations qualifier doubleheader against Sudan next month. The game was against Qatar, and Ghana fortunately won by 5-1. Well, Tarique Fosu played a part in that game and actually opened scoring. Well, this was also his very first call-up to the Black Stars team. Well, he's very excited after scoring his debut goal for the national team.
I'm happy that we got the result today because last game, obviously I made my debut and it wasn't a good result, and I wanted to make sure that we put things right today. I played in my natural position today, so I was allowed to express and show what I can do. So yeah, I'm just happy that we got the result today, and I hope all the fans, are happy with it.
So we still stay with Tarique Fosu, who plays his club football for Brentford, and he says he's hoping to learn from the likes of Andrew Ayew, Jordan Ayew, and Thomas Partey, as those players you see as very experienced in the Black Stars.
No, I didn't know them, to be fair. I just know of them, and it's good to play with these players, these top quality players, and for me, I'm very happy to be part of a team with top players, so yeah, it's good. And now I think I've got to know them pretty much over this time, so I'm sure I'll learn a lot from them, and I can add it to my game.
So away from the Black Stars, we still stay with matters of football, and the Ghana Football Association General Secretary Prosper Harris-Nado will address the third FIFA Compliance Summit on Friday. That's this very Friday. Now, the summit began on Monday, 12 October, after opening remarks by FIFA President Gianni Infantino and General Secretary Fatima Samora. The GFA Secretary will present a paper on compliance on Friday during the working session in English presentation by CAF. So away from the local scene, let's check what's happening on the international scene, and we go to the camp of Belgium. Well, Kevin De Bruyne, who is captain of the side and also a player at Manchester City, has withdrawn from their team. The team to face Iceland in tomorrow's United Nations League. Well, he has pulled out because he couldn't be fit enough to face the side, and according to them, he has returned to his club Manchester City. Well, they are 1 point behind England in second place in the Nations League Group A2 after 3 games. And talk of withdrawals, England have also suffered same fate as that of Belgium. Well, Ben Chilwell, who plays his club football for Chelsea, have also returned to the club. He also picked up an injury in their last game against Belgium, and by virtue of that, he will not be fit enough to play in their game later today. So what it means is that he's out of the team and he's gone back to Chelsea. Kieran Trippier, who plays his club football for Atletico Madrid in Spain, will also not be available for the Three Lions of England. He's also withdrawn from the squad. He cited personal reasons, and his manager, Gareth Southgate, has allowed for him to go out of the team. So away from international football, the major Premier Leagues are bouncing back, and of course, the English Premier League also is coming through. But the news coming from the English Premier League is that the latest run of test as regards to the coronavirus, well, 128 players and club staff tested between Monday, October and Sunday, 11th October. Out of that, 5 are positive. Well, there were 9 positive tests between 28 September and 4th October in the previous round of testing, following 10 in the 7 days before that. So as some players are testing positive, well, Liverpool have some good news to share. Their 2 key players, Sadio and Thiago Alcantara, are back training with the side ahead of their Merseyside derby this coming Saturday. The 2 players have been missing in action after testing positive for coronavirus. First, it was Sadio who tested positive and was not in line. It was actually Alcantara who tested positive first and couldn't play in their game against Arsenal. And then the second was Sadio who missed their game against Aston Villa. But the good news is that both players are back in training after testing negative and will be available for Jurgen Klopp's side when they come up against Everton in the Merseyside derby. That's how we end sports here on MX24. My name is Benedict Fosu. Thanks so much for watching.